Yesterday we saw about the star of Puratadi. Today we are going to see the details of the star of Uttratadi. Actually, this Uttratadi star is coming in the zodiac or house of Pisces. And this star is called as a full star because all the padams of this star are coming only in the house of or zodiac of Pisces. So this star is called as a full star. And basically what type of puja must be done by this star people, I mean Uttratadi star people, in order to get good life on this earth. And if Uttratadi people they are doing puja to Shasta or family god, definitely good upliftment can be seen by this Uttratadi star people in their life. What may be the reason or what is the reason? The reason is nothing but basically Uttratadi star people, they are controlled by the planet Saturn. Not only the Uttratadi star people but also Puyam as well as Anusham. So totally Puyam as well as Anusham and Uttratadi. The star people are basically controlled by the planet Saturn. But the planet Saturn is controlled by the family god as well as Lord Ayyappa Swami. He is also, Lord Ayyappa Swami, he is also called as a Shasta. So, but today we are seeing about the star of Uttratadi. So, the Uttratadi star people, if they are worshipping God of family or God of Ayyappa Swami, definitely good improvement can be seen in their life. How to perform the puja to Ayyappa Swami, I mean either Ayyappa Swami or family god, that only we are going to see. Light the lamp to Ayyappa Swami or family god by using only gingerly oil, because gingerly oil is very mandatory to Saturn planet, whereas the Saturn planet is controlled by family god or a Shasta. So at the time of doing puja to God, definitely gingerly oil. I mean this Saturn planet is controlled by God, family. I mean family god as well as Shasta. So to this god too, the Uttratadi star people, they have to use gingerly oil in order to light the lamp. So if you have the statue or photo of this god, you can have do the decoration, and at the time of keeping the flower, you should take the flower of butterfly, blue butterfly pea flower. Blue butterfly pea flower should be taken, and one flower of this should be kept on the head of either your family god or to Ayyappa Swami, and light the lamp by using gingerly oil. Only gingerly oil you have to use for the purpose of lighting the lamp, and keep clean water in front of God. Suppose if you don't have photo or statue, you can consider that gingerly oil lamp as either family god or Shasta. And in front of lamp or in front of photo or statue, try to keep clean water. In that water you can have you can add either sandal powder, or you can keep a tulsi leaf. If you don't have all these things, you can keep plain water, but the water should be very clean water. As well as we have the flowers, that flower name I told you, it is nothing but blue butterfly pea flower. And as prasadam, what should be given to family god or to Ayyappa Swami means you have to purchase a blue color, fruit of grapes. In shops and all, very easily you can see, very easily we can purchase this type of fruit. What is that? Blue color grapefruit. Blue color grapefruit should be purchased from the shop, and it must be given to either your family god or to Ayyappa Swami as prasadam. How many numbers of blue color grapefruit should be given? If you raise this question, the answer is maximum 19, 19 numbers of grapes must be kept as prasadam in front of God. If not, that much number of grapes cannot be kept due to financial problem, then you can I will not say you should keep 8 numbers of blue color grapes. 8 numbers very mandatory, if not 19 numbers, 19. And keep this as prasadam, blue color grape fruit can be kept as prasada in front of God and do the puja. At the time of doing the archana to God, either to family god or to Shasta, take each and every blue butterfly pea flower and say Om Kuladevame Sharanam Namaha. If not, Om Ayyappa Swamiye Sharanam Namaha. If not, Om Shasta Bhagavane Sharanam Namaha. Like that, chant the slogam minimum 8 times or 19 times, or if you have more time means you can chant the slogam for 27 times or 54 times, or it can be extended even to 108 times and complete the puja. If Uttratadi star people do this type of puja, what advantage will be received by them? Means definitely long life they will get, as well as a peaceful life they will have, as well as a job problem you will not have. If you are working as a employer and your subordinates they are not following your words, or what are all the instructions given by you as employer to your subordinates, as well as subordinates they are not following your words, the same time this type of star people they are doing this type of puja means definitely the employer instruction will be well followed by the subordinates, and the duty of the employer can be cleanly completed by this type of doing puja, because indirectly your family god or Shasta or Ayyappa Swami is supporting you in order to follow your words. The subordinates they have to follow your words, for that blessing is given by this God to you. As well as you can do extra time duty. At the time of performing OT, overtime duty, definitely more income can be received by you. And at the time of earning more money, automatically your family problem will be nullified. Problem of family will be nullified, then members of the family will be very happy. Then what else you need? Everything you received. So definitely the Uttratadi people, while doing this type of puja, they cannot see problem at home. They will not have problem of money. They will not have problem of work or job. Totally their life will be peaceful and pleasant. So the Uttratadi star people, if possible, try to do this puja and get good life on this earth. And if you want to consult your horoscope, you can call me for the number 98407 73010. As well as if you like this video, please do like, share and give your comment, as well as subscribe this. While subscribing this video, press the bell icon. While pressing it, you can see three options, and in that one option is all. Press it. You will get my video immediately as notification to you. Thank you very much.